Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to unbox this work lights that we bought from Amazon. So this is a 2 pieces work light and it costs about 25 euros for the two of them. Alright, so if you are gonna buy just one piece, then it's just about 16 euro. Alright, and actually I didn't realize that it's a 2 packs until I just read the or I just back read my order today. But yeah, it is what it is. Anyways, I'll be using this for my job, so that's why I bought this. So it's really handy because it has 6 multi-functions. Actually, it's not just a lot, it's just not a work light, but of course it has benefits, especially when you're working on construction sites. Yeah, so it has strong magnetic absorption, so you can just simply uh, put it in a metal, and then while you are working, okay, or it also has a hook in it. Okay, you can use you can either use the magnet or the hook. Okay, and you can use it, let's say your car is stalled somewhere and you need an emergency light. You can use it as an emergency light. Okay, and yeah, it has a type C charging, and it can be used as a power bank as well. So that's really a complete package, I think, for almost a complete package for a working light. So let's unbox it now. Yeah. Okay, so inside the box, guys, is you will see one of the pieces. So that's one, and another pieces. So that's two, right? So you will also find, of course, the charging cable, the manual. Okay, so you got two charging cables. One is type C. Okay, so packaging wise, it's 9 out of 10 because the box has no plastic, but looks okay. So this is the working light, guys. So it has a light here. It's really bright, guys. Okay, yeah, up. So as you can see, it is really bright. So it has a magnet, so you can put it in a metal or attach it to the metal piece, so you can just work without holding it, or you can use the hook. So aside from the magnet, it also has a hook. Okay, and yeah, as mentioned, you can also use it as a charging or a power bank, right? So one piece costs about 16 euro, and if you're gonna buy 2 pieces, it's gonna be 25 euros. So I think not bad, guys, especially if it's gonna be useful on your work on a construction site, right? So or even if in your car, you can put one in your car and then you can bring one in your work. So this is really useful. Again, this is a work light made by Dewalt. I think it's a China brand, but goodbye, guys. I guess it's helpful, especially when working on a dark spaces. Okay, again, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one. Bye bye.